Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert an MP3 file to a WAV file using Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity application on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with several options and you'll want to click on File. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your audio projects. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over Import. This action will expand another submenu showing different import options. From this submenu, click on Audio. This feature allows you to bring external audio files into Audacity so you can work with them, which is exactly what we need to do in order to convert your MP3 file. A file browser window will now open on your screen. Navigate through your folders to locate the MP3 file you want to convert to WAV format. Once you've found your file, click on it to select it, then click the Open button. Audacity will now import your MP3 file and display its waveform in the main editing area. This process usually takes just a few seconds depending on the size of your file. Now that your MP3 file is loaded into Audacity, it's time to export it in the WAV format. Head back to the upper left corner and click on File once again. This time, from the drop-down menu, select Export Audio. This option allows you to save your audio file in various formats, giving you full control over the output. A new window will appear with several export options. Click on Export to Computer to proceed. This ensures that the file will be saved directly to your PC rather than to any cloud service or external location. At the top of this export window, you'll see a field for the file name. Here you can rename the file if you'd like to give it a different name than the original MP3. Simply type in your preferred name to customize the output file. If you want to change where the file will be saved, look for the Browse button in this window. Click on it and a file browser will open, allowing you to navigate to your preferred location. Select the folder where you want to save your converted file, then click Save to confirm the new location. This step is optional, but it's useful if you want to keep your files organized in specific folders. Below the file name field, you'll see an option labeled Format. This is the crucial step for the conversion. Click on the drop-down menu right beside Format and a list of available audio formats will appear. From this list, select WAV Microsoft. This is the format we need for the conversion and it's widely compatible with most audio players and editing software. Once you've selected the WAV format, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. Audacity will now process your audio file and save it as a WAV file in your chosen location. This might take a moment depending on the length and size of your audio file, so give it a few seconds to complete the conversion process. And there you have it. Your MP3 file has now been successfully converted to WAV format using Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.